I do love it when you share. It shows that you care. Friends lists, home addresses, the names of family pets. I'll take it all. Eventually, I could have a full picture of you. I might even become you. Elin is an open book. All her posts are public. That nice new car she got last summer. A couple of nights out with the girls. Her friends seem nice. She's certainly the life of the party. Oh, and a birthday party. Little Johan's first birthday, on the 2nd of February. Johan is a beautiful name. And Johan22 is just the perfect password. And no two-step verification. Dear, oh dear. Now I'm in, and you're out. I wonder which of your friends would help if you needed money. I'm waiting for the people who don't pause, check, protect. Could this be you?